Not content with blowing our minds with one of the best GarageBand for iOS updates in ages, Apple also slipped in a wee secret update to one of the app's best features. This is how the sampler looked in the previous version of GarageBand. And this is how it looks in version 2.3.9. Let's check it out. The sampler was the last feature in GarageBand for iOS to still sport that skeuomorphic design philosophy that Apple was all about back in the late 2000s. This refresh brings it in line with all of the other touch instruments in GarageBand, and I think it looks rather tasty. Apple have incorporated the keys and controls layout from their other keyboard touch instruments here, which makes getting stuck into your samples a much more straightforward process. You have pitch and mod wheels on the left here, and a new velocity control too. The section in the middle displays the waveform of your sample, and from here you can adjust and edit that sample in a number of ways. You can drag these arrows in the bottom corners to chop your sample's waveform. You can reverse or loop the playback of your sample by tapping reverse or loop up here. Tapping details switches to this view where you can use the points to change the volume of your sample over time and fiddle with its tuning using the coarse and fine tuning knobs. You can always return your sample to its original state by tapping revert. Right up at the top here is your sample library. From here, you can use some of Apple's pre-recorded samples, yeah, maybe don't do that. Or you can import other audio clips. You can add loops from GarageBand's loop library, compatible audio files from your Files app, and tracks from the Music app, though bear in mind that copyright-protected songs and songs not stored locally on your device can't be imported.
49 times we fought that beast, your old man and me.
You can also record your own samples either through your iDevice's built-in microphone or by hooking up an external microphone or instrument.
Hey, 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 hey.
When you have your sample just how you want it, hit record and add it to your project. GarageBand's sampler has always been a great way to add some killer sounds and a bit of unique personality into your projects, and now it's even better. Give the video over there a click for the lowdown on all of the features that landed in the brand new GarageBand for iOS update, including an in-depth look at the excellent Keyboard Collection sound pack. Take care of yourself, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.